Greetings, science enthusiasts and curious minds. Welcome to Wonderpedia, where we dive into the enigmatic realms of the universe. Today, we're embarking on a mind-bending journey to explore the captivating mysteries of quantum mechanics, where reality defies all logic. Let's venture into the weird and wonderful world of quantum physics. Quantum mechanics, often referred to as quantum physics, is a fundamental theory in the realm of physics. It describes the behavior of particles at the atomic and subatomic levels, where classical physics no longer applies. Here are some of the key principles and mysteries of this intriguing field. Wave-particle duality. One of the most mind-boggling aspects of quantum mechanics is the wave-particle duality. It states that particles, such as electrons and photons, exhibit both wave-like and particle-like behaviors. They can exist in a superposition of states until observed, behaving as both waves and particles simultaneously. Quantum superposition. In the quantum world, particles can exist in multiple states at the same time. This phenomenon is known as superposition. For example, an electron can exist in a superposition of spin states, which can be thought of as spinning both clockwise and counterclockwise simultaneously. Quantum entanglement. Entanglement is a phenomenon where two or more particles become correlated in such a way that the state of one particle instantly influences the state of another, regardless of the distance separating them. Albert Einstein famously referred to this as spooky action at a distance. Heisenberg's uncertainty principle. Werner Heisenberg's uncertainty principle states that it's impossible to simultaneously know both the exact position and momentum of a particle. The more precisely you know one, the less precisely you can know the other. This fundamental limitation challenges our classical intuitions. Quantum tunneling. Quantum tunneling is the bizarre phenomenon where particles can penetrate energy barriers that should be insurmountable according to classical physics. It plays a crucial role in nuclear fusion, electron transport in transistors, and even the fusion processes powering the stars. Schrödinger's cat. The Schrödinger's cat thought experiment illustrates the concept of superposition. In this scenario, a cat is considered both alive and dead inside a sealed box until it's observed. It highlights the weirdness of quantum superposition and the role of observation in determining outcomes. Quantum computing. Quantum mechanics has given rise to the field of quantum computing, which leverages the principles of superposition and entanglement to perform computations far faster than classical computers. It holds the potential to revolutionize fields such as cryptography and optimization. Many worlds interpretation. One interpretation of quantum mechanics proposes that every quantum event results in a branching of the universe, creating a multitude of parallel universes, each corresponding to a different outcome. In this view, every possible outcome of a quantum event exists in its own separate reality. Quantum mysteries. Despite its incredible successes and applications, quantum mechanics remains shrouded in mysteries. The nature of wave function collapse, the origin of quantum entanglement, and the fundamental reality of the quantum world are still subjects of intense debate and exploration. Quantum mechanics challenges our classical intuitions and offers a glimpse into a reality that is fundamentally different from our everyday experiences. It has led to technological breakthroughs, such as lasers, semiconductors, and magnetic resonance imaging, MRI, while also deepening our understanding of the fundamental building blocks of the universe. As we continue to unravel the mysteries of the quantum world, it opens up new avenues for exploration, innovation, and a deeper appreciation of the profound weirdness that underlies our reality. Thank you for joining us on this extraordinary voyage through the weird and wonderful realm of quantum mechanics. We hope you found this exploration as mind-bending as we did. If you were as captivated by the quantum mysteries as we are, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with fellow science enthusiasts and curious thinkers. Don't forget to subscribe to Wonderpedia for more intriguing content about the universe's mysteries and the wonders of science. Your questions, comments, and feedback are like quanta of knowledge to us, so feel free to share your thoughts below. Until our next exploration, keep seeking answers to the universe's enigmas and continue to unravel the mysteries that define our reality. Stay curious.